Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to do a green screen in CapCut. It's really simple and easy. First of all, just open up the new project, select your background video here, and now our background is added. Now we have to go to this overlay, tap on this, add overlay. Now what you have to do is just select this green screen one here, scroll to the right, and you will see this option here, remove BG. Tap on it and now you can go for this chroma key here and then you have to pick the green color, and as you can see I just picked the green screen color and my background has been removed completely, the green screen removed completely. Now you can play with this intensity and the shadow as well. And now if you go back and if you resize your person, you can see our person is now in this background and the green screen has been completely removed. As you can see, he's walking on this background. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.